Good evening, everyone, and welcome. The Dow Jones Industrial Average eked out another record close, but it was housing and how hope may still spring eternal for the housing market that got everybody's attention. Today, there were some positive signs for the sector, which has lagged the overall economy since hitting a speed bump more than a year ago. Sales of newly built single-family homes fell only slightly in January, despite all that snow in the Northeast, while supply, which has been tight, rose to its highest level since 2010. The pace for sales for December was also revised higher. Tight inventories and a lack of wage growth had been holding housing back, but now the labor market seems to be gaining some steam, and home builders say that they are seeing more traffic.
Well, it's not just home builders seeing more traffic, but also home improvement retailers. Today, Lowe's reported better than expected fourth quarter results, driven by more homeowners taking on big and not so big renovation projects. Shares, however, did fall a fraction after the company expressed concern about rising interest rates potentially impacting prospective home buyers. Still, the company does expect existing homeowners to continue to invest in projects and upgrades for their houses. Diana Olick has more now on what's behind the surge in remodeling.
Rising home values are pricing buyers out of today's housing market, but they are also giving home owners more confidence to invest again in their properties.
As soon as we start seeing the housing market recover, people get confident. Not only do they tackle the renovations they want to, but they address the maintenance that it needs as well.
Projects large and small.
We have more projects, more proposals out than ever before.
Architect Matt Osolinsky is seeing a steady business on the high end, but more growth in smaller projects and remodels in less expensive homes.
I think the reason why we're seeing the increase on the lower end is because people are feeling more confident in the economy, more confident in their spending ability, more confident in making investments in their homes.
While full recovery in residential construction is many years away, the home improvement industry could post record-level spending in 2015, according to Harvard's Joint Center for Housing. Remodeling building permits rose 6% in January month-to-month, according to BuildFacts. Why? People who didn't move because of the housing bust are now improving their current homes, maybe even preparing them to sell. Some are doing much-needed maintenance that they had deferred during the penny-pinching recession. And there are also new federal and state stimulus programs for energy-efficient upgrades. While kitchen remodels are always the most popular and do return the best value, today's trends are being driven by those who can't afford to move, growing families, adding another bedroom upstairs, and baby boomers doing the same thing on the main floor so they can age in place.
That's a big change in what I see in our market in the last, say, 2-3 years.
And given an ever pricier market, one that is likely to grow even more. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.